Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Nkenna. I am responsible for everything that goes on here. As you guys can tell from the title of today's video, we are doing another makeup related video. Today we're going to be doing a first impression of a makeup product. I don't know why my mind was blanking out just now, but we're doing a first impression of a makeup product. Today we are testing out the Ciate London translucent powder, and this is their extraordinary translucent powder. So just to give you guys a few specs, it's $22, it's vegan, gluten-free. I received this in my Ipsy October box, but you can purchase it on ASOS and you can also purchase it on the Ciate London website. Okay, we're back with clean skin. My foundation of choice is the Mented Cosmetics foundation stick. This is their Skin by Mented and I'm the shade D10. All right, so we're back. Foundation stick is on, it's blended out. Sponge is wet and ready for application. So just to show you guys some close-ups of what the product looks like, it has their signature bow that they have on their products. You are getting 15 grams of product in this container. It tells you that on the bottom. It also says the product name. When you open it, this is what it looks like. So my initial thoughts, if you guys could see, it was a little white. Not a little, it was very white. And typically I like to go with tinted powders because I think that those are more forgiving. They bring some warmth back to the face. They don't make me look ashy, casket ready, whatever you want to call it. So I'm just a little concerned with the fact that this is a white powder and there's no tint to it at all. And oh gosh, that's literally what I just said I didn't want to do. I just spilled all of this powder all over my thigh. Hold on. As I was saying, my concern is that I'm going to look very ashen. I'm gonna have a lot of flashback, so we'll see. So I'm just gonna set my face for 5-ish minutes. So I have applied this to my face. We're gonna let it bake, set, whatever you want to call it, for about 5 to 10 minutes. I'm gonna dust it off and then we're gonna take some selfies and see what that flashback is talking about. Okay, so we're back. It's been about 10 minutes, a little over 10 minutes. I put this on around 8:40. It is 8:50 p.m. So I'm just going to go ahead and dust this off with a nice big fluffy brush and we're gonna see. So far, I mean, it just comes off pretty easily. Not terribly concerned. Okay, so right off the bat, I do feel like I'm looking a little bit ashen, a little bit gray. And then another thing that comes into play is I'm using a foundation stick, so there are a lot of areas where I have some oil, like I'm very matte, and then there's oil just from the nature of the product. So I will say, yes, I do feel like I look a little bit gray even before taking pictures. So we're just gonna go ahead and take the pictures. This is supposed to be a true first impression, so we're just gonna roll with it, okay? But it did blend, you know, dust off very easily. I just feel like I have a very gray cast to my face just looking at myself right now. And I have used translucent powders before. Like I said, I usually like to use those with tint, like banana powders or deep powders. I don't like to use just pure white powder because of this exact reason. All right, you guys, so I took a few selfies. I'll make sure that I insert them now so that you guys can see what they look like. I did some with flash, some without flash. The pictures that I took with flash, I feel like they look okay, but I do look very ashen. And again, I have used translucent powder before. I just feel like with this, I look a little bit gray. I don't look as vibrant, as radiant as I normally do when I use other kinds of powders that have some sort of tint to them. So did I achieve the goal of looking matte and setting my face? Yes, I did. However, I just look very, very gray. And for me, that's a no-go. Do I think this is brown girl friendly? No, I don't. I think that this is more so formulated for people who are on the lighter end of the complexion spectrum. Would I use this again? No. Just because I don't want to look ashy. I think it's showing up okay and it looks fine. But at my baseline, what I know my foundation can look like, what my face can look like, and what I'm used to it looking like, this is not it. So maybe in the future they will come out with other translucent loose setting powders that brown girls can try out. But for now, I'm going to have to pass on this. So that is all that I have for you guys. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to see more first impression or makeup related videos at all, just let me know down in the comment section below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, like the video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.